Hey folks, it's Ben from Lance Cunningham Ford. Here's the deal. 1992 Toyota 4-wheel drive, regular cab, got a camper top on it. It's got wheels on it. Tires look to be in good shape. It's a 1992 regular cab, manual transmission. It's already got a tow hitch on it. '92 Toyota pickup, regular cab. The engine running here, you can see. Engine good and clean. Sounds good. I'll show you inside the truck. It's good and clean. Tasmanian devil floor mats included, no extra charge. It's got 187,108 miles, 106. It's got a CD player, cold air, 5-speed, and your 4-wheel drive. Sliding rear window, cloth interior is in good shape. '92 Toyota pickup. It's a regular cab, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive, and it's waiting for its new home. You can call us at 865-687-2100 at Lance Cunningham Ford.